Alright, well, we decided we're going to do it because we got our appointments in a couple weeks, so we're going to plug this bad boy in. But first, you got to update it. So, download Accessport Manager onto your PC, laptop, whatever, and you plug your access port into it, you update it, click check for firmware updates. It'll release, I think the latest one's like February this year, so there's right up to now, and it takes about 5 minutes. Once it's done, this will have like an eject your access port button, and then you can pop it out and plug it into your car. So yeah, update it first, and then you can plug it in and go ACN stage 1. See what happens. See if we blow our shit up. Yay, nah, we'll see. It just looks so goddamn innocuous in the box there. Do you want to build a race car? Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do. Well, it's that fateful day. We're here with the Steed, looking to put in the COBB Accessport skis and see what kind of boost in HP we get right off the bat. So now she needs a wash, but hopefully that is actually our plug-in. So I'm going to have to move this harness a little bit just so I can get clear access to that with the plug-in, but I think that's where we start. As you can see, managed to get it plugged in there. I just ran it up along the steering column. Bring it out the side here, and the little strap that. Make a bundle before you attach it to another bundle, and then I'm going to probably stick it on that bright bundle there. That one right there. Now you got these there's little tabs. You see where those lines are? You can bend it so it'll actually have a plastic bend in it, so it'll hug a curved surface better. So yeah, it feels like it's on there pretty good. You got your key out. Plug this in, you wait for your thing to come up. Come on, tell you what's up. I guess we'll continue. And then we plug our key in here. Do not start it. We are a 2015 WRX manual transmission. We've got all of these things, all these options here. And then we'll get to it. Once we hit 100 points, we'll be back in it. And then somehow there was coral chords in the background. Do not turn off your shit. Don't fuck it up. Oh, fuck. It's not nerve-wracking. It's not nerve-wracking reflashing without a fucking battery cable attached. I tell you, my fucking sphincter is like grabbing this seat while I watch this little thing fucking load up. Like, it's unreasonable how fucking tense I am about this. Oh, please don't explode on our shitty Canadian gas. So now we're just setting the actual gauges that we want there. So we put your dam up at the top, we've got fine knock learn, and now I'm just gonna get in there and try and do, so you change the monitor. And then these are all the sensors. Like it's got 30 that it's just follows right away. But you can find all the relevant sensors that are in there. So I just want to get it, you know, dam and fine knock learn are the really ones you want. Coolant temp, you know, intake temp. Those are really good to have. But yeah, you can follow whatever you want, really. Feedback knock. We've got our dam, we've got our fine knock learn, we've got our feedback knock, we've got our air fuel sensor 1 ratio, we've got our air fuel learning, and we've got intake temp. So here we go. Okay. Okay. Didn't blow up. Now we've got 14.7 is normal. Everything. Situation normal. We're all fine here now. How are you? Go for cruise? Go for cruise. I think so. Alright, so we're gonna try logging now, and we'll see what happens. Nothing untowards. Alrighty, so after you load, go upload your logs or whatever, you plug it back in, you gotta reselect gauges. And then it'll go, oh no, I can't find your car. Please turn your car to the on position. There we go. Get on up out of here, go for a cruise. See if we can blow ourselves up. Shifts like a different car, like an entirely different car. Coming in here hot. It's coming in hot. Week 3 review of having a COBB Accessport running a 91 tune on a 94 only gas. I only run Chevron's 94 in here. Seems to keep everything running smooth. I noticed if I ever ran like a regular 91 Canadian in this thing, it just wasn't quite the same. So 94 it is. I've had minimal feedback knock on this thing. It's usually low load at a cold start. If I don't let it warm up fully, like all the way to half bar, then when I think it seems to be when I'm top of first, shifting into second, I get a little feedback. But I've only had fine knock learn show on it one time, and that was like last week, and it went it was a -1.4 value, and it corrected instantly down to 0, and it hasn't come up again. Dam has never been anything other than 1. I've had it out, you know, going through drive-throughs, grabbing my, you know, Canadian breakfast every day, and nothing with low shifting. I've had it out down Highway Vancouver, ripping around downtown Vancouver. You know, it's not nice on a clutch, but this it wasn't giving me any feedback, any fine knock, any dam adjustments. The air fuel sensor ratio 1. That has been 14.7 at idle, where that's apparently where it's supposed to be. You might see it jump. I see it jump to 22. What is it? Yeah, value of 22 too, and that's usually if I'm going wide open throttle and then you let right off. It'll bounce up to 22 and then correct right down back into the 14.7s. Airflow learning 1. I've had values usually around -6. It kind of goes -2.5 down to -6 on a cold start. I'm sitting here idle right now, and it's a -391.
I've had a negative 1016, which is higher than usual, but that's still, you know, we're running the, you know, FA20 DIT, so that's different than the old EJs. They said that it was like a plus negative of 8. I've heard anything a plus negative of like 12 to 16 for the FA20s. I don't know, I might be wrong on that, but COBB says that doesn't seem to be anything to worry about. Wide open throttle, I've had it, you know, top of 5th, top of 4th, all the way up to top of 3rd. No feedback there, so nothing on wide open, no fine knock learn on wide open, nothing like that. It feels it's just better. Like it feels, there's more rumble to the tune. I don't know if that's a good way to describe it. It's not that it feels rougher, it's that there's just a little more growl to it. First and second transition, so much better. I cannot stress how much better it is to come out of an uphill underground parking lot in the morning where you can't see around. You got to kind of, you know, ride the fuck out of your clutch. It's great. It makes that so much easier. City driving in this WRX is so much easier with this tune on. I can't begin to describe it. So yeah, for $800 you get a city drivable car with tons of fucking power. And we're going into more. No, what's today? Today's Sunday. We're going in on Tuesday. Tuesday's the race car day. Yes. Tuesday we finally get all this extra stuff in, throw up on the dyno, and we'll have another video about that. So yeah, anyhow, today was just a bullshit day. I'm eating my fucking breakfast. I'm talking to you about the COBB Accessport, my values, my problems, the non-existent problems that I've had with it. It's been great. 3 weeks. Yeah, nothing untoward. Don't feel you can't run Canadian 94 on the 91 tune, and it's 91 straight up, not even 91 ACN. So my personal experience, it works. It was worth it. Hope you guys have a kick-ass awesome day. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you on the flip side. Peace out.